Chers amis, il est temps de célébrer le passé, vivre le présent et rêver le futur. Dear friends, it is time to celebrate the past, live the present and dream of the future. Soyez prêts à raconter vos millions d'histoires, car c'est aujourd'hui que l'on fait demain. Be ready to tell a million stories because the future is starting right now.
Take a ride where magic comes alive and never lets you go. You wish upon a star that we could be a part of something wonderful.